Hi, it's Joanna with Remnant Real Estate Solutions, and we are here at Henrico County with a new Cape Cod acquisition that we got. This property is 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. We're going to turn it into 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it really needs everything. We acquired this property with a lead from the county. This house had plenty of code violations and a few other things. But the thing is, with this property, I was able to create a unique solution. Right now, we're in a very competitive housing market, and so I have to make my offers also competitive. So these people had lived here for 21 years and had no clue about renting. And with the market being so hot, there are not very many rental properties also. So I put in the contract that I would get them a rental property and pay their rent for a year with purchasing this home. And so I deducted that amount from the purchase price, but I gave them the convenience of me doing all the legwork. And so I did indeed find them a rental property better than this property, in great condition, and I paid a full month's rent up front so that they would not have to worry about that at all. So when we go inside, you're gonna see a lot. It's a mess inside, and we have a roach infestation in here. So I'll be watching where I step and making sure that they don't get in my clothing, because they are very disrespectful. The roaches are. They like to climb on people in here. That's how bad the infestation is. We're also cleaning up the yard. There used to be a fence that kind of enclosed this front area. We've taken some of the fence down, and the yard was very much overgrown in the back, along with a shed that was full of stuff. And we even have a car that's being sold with the property today, which is perfect because my daughter is about to get her license. So this will be something good for her to tinker around in and hopefully not destroy, but if she does, it won't be like she's destroying my main car. So let's take a look. As you can see in this living room, the floor has started to cave in, or has actually caved in, and we're going to need new floor joists installed in here, and that means we're going to have to take up this hardwood floor, which otherwise probably could have been reusable, but we're going to take up the hardwood floors throughout. Then this place is, as I said before, infested with roaches, so we need to get everything out so that we can properly treat and get rid of these roaches before we start renovations. This kitchen is super small. The owner actually told me they paid $13,000 for this kitchen. Now, I don't know how believable that is, but you see what we're looking at, and it does not look like $13,000. We're going to open up this kitchen into the dining room. We're just going to take this wall down, and that will expand the kitchen a little more into the dining room so we can get some more cabinets in here and space for a refrigerator. The back door has to go. It's rotted out. The flooring there also is rotted underneath the back door because there are no gutters on this house. There are no gutters to take the water elsewhere, so it just comes in, does whatever it naturally flows to do. In the back here, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Everything here needs to be taken out and redone. Bathroom, bedrooms, new paint, new flooring, new windows throughout. Upstairs, we have a lot more space. And so in this upstairs, we're going to add a dormer here, and we're going to make one side the bedroom and another the bathroom. So this will actually be the master suite upstairs. Here in the backyard, we've got another jungle. And believe it or not, under that pile of what seems to be brush is more junk. Underneath the brush, old lawnmowers and a whole bunch of other things. The tree is being trimmed as well because it was touching the roof, and that shed is gotta go. There's no saving to that shed. The side porch, we'll probably close the side porch in and make it a screened-in porch, make it look really nice here for the new homeowner or tenant. And the yard will look pretty much new. We have our work cut out here. We've got to redo everything. There's nothing in here that's really salvageable. So we're going to the bones and rebuild this entire house for the most part. It will then be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a more open kitchen and dining room space and a big, nice backyard. So stay tuned. And if you know anyone that has a property to sell like this or in better condition, feel free to give me a call at 804-596-9110. I look forward to speaking with you.